So by now you've probably realized Airtable's if-then statements are a little bit different than Excel. I put together this free tool to help you, ironically in Excel, generate the Airtable code you need for if-then statements. So all you need to do is start with your logical argument. Make sure that's in curly brackets. Then we're going to choose an operator. In this case, it's equals. I have a state code, so WY. If this is text, if it's a string, you're going to want to put it in quotes. If it's a number, you don't need to put it in quotes. So the next one is, if it's true, what information do you want Airtable to display? And then if it's false, what's the other thing that you want it to display to tell you that the logical argument is false? The key to each one of these fields is if it is a number, you typically aren't going to need quotes outside, but if it's just going to be text, or if you just want to display some text, then you're going to want quotes on the outside. So once you've added that information, the output over here is the code that you need. So let's go over to Airtable and just double check that this is working. I'll save this here. And then what we see here, even though it says error, that's actually correct because it's telling us that it worked. If I change this to Wyoming, we get the code that I put in there. So that's a tool, super easy to use. Feel free to use it, make a copy, send it to your friends. Thanks.